Everything which occupy mass and volume is known as matter, and we can also say that everything which is made up of material is known as matter. For example, air we breathe, water we drink, and land where we live, all are matter. Diffusion: intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is known as diffusion. States of matter: physical existence of matter is known as states of matter. Solids: substances or object that has a definite shape, definite boundaries, and a definite volume, rigidity, and incompressible is known as solid. Liquid: a substances or object that has no definite shape, no distinct boundaries, but has a definite volume and fluidity, and low compressible is known as liquid. Gas: a substances that has no definite shape, no distinct boundaries, no definite volume, fluidity, and high compressible is known as gas. Fluid: the tendency of substance to flow is known as fluid. For example, gas and liquid flow. Rigid: the tendency of substance to maintain and retain their shape when subjected to outside force is known as rigidity. Density: it is defined as mass per unit volume, is known as density. For example, solid have higher density. Kinetic energy: the energy possessed by particles due to their motion is known as kinetic energy. Melting point: the minimum temperature at which a solid starts melt to become a liquid at atmospheric pressure is known as melting point. Fusion: a change of state from solid to liquid is known as fusion. Boiling point: the temperature at which a liquid starts boiling at atmospheric pressure is known as boiling point. Latent heat: a heat energy in which a matter changes its state at same temperature is known as latent heat. Latent heat of fusion: the heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of vaporization: a heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of liquid to gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point is known as latent heat of vaporization. Sublimation: a change of state directly from solid to gas without come into liquid state is known as sublimation. Deposition: a change of state directly from gas to solid without coming to liquid state is known as deposition. Evaporation: phenomena of change liquid to gas at any temperature below its boiling point is known as evaporation. Humidity: humidity is the amount of water vapor that is present in air.
ओके करेक्ट है, लेकिन बेटा उसमें जो फ्लूइडिटी का डेफिनेशन है ना, उसमें तुम फ्लूइड बताया, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ फ्लूइड दैट विल बी फ्लूइडिटी. ओके, और ह्यूमिडिटी का डेफिनेशन और भी थोड़ा करेक्ट वे में मतलब लिख के फिर सेंड करना, ठीक है.